time nila, guys.
This is Catherine TV and welcome back to my channel. So, andito ako ngayon sa City Center and first time kong manonood ng Cork City Marathon. So, tara guys, samahan nyo ako at supportahan natin ang ating mga friendship.
Go! Go, friends! Go! Galingan nyo! Ingat! Ingat kayo! Go, Kabons! Go, go, go! Tara! Hi! Supportive friends!
Run or walk the full marathon, half marathon, or 10 kilometers. So, 14 minutes nang nag-start yung full marathon and ngayon pa lang mag-start yung 10 kilometers. And yung mga friends ko sa 10 kilometers sila sumali. So, we are here to support and cheer for them. Actually, niyaya ako ni Hazel na sumali dito sa 10 kilometers. Pero dahil kilala ko yung sarili ko at alam ko na kulang pa ako sa training and hindi pa ako sanay na tumatakbo, sabi ko next year na lang para mas mapaghandaan. Kaya naman kung sakaya tumakbo kasi pwede namang maglakad pero iniwasan ko lang yung ma-injured pa, 'di ba? So alam mo naman, tayo ang pag-asa ng bayan. So ayun, but definitely next year sasali ako and magre-recruit pa tayo ng mga iba pang sasali nating mga friendship, 'di ba? Para mas masaya, the more the merrier, 'di ba? And first time ko kasing makapanood ng ganito. Nung nakita ko yung mga runners, parang nakakatuwa. Yung i-cheer nga sila nakakatuwa. What more yung ikaw mismo yung tumatakbo, parang mas masaya, 'di ba? And dahil nga maraming mga trail and running place dito, so talagang parang matutuwa ka ring tumakbo and mag-training and para physically fit din tayo, 'di ba? So ayun, and alam nyo ba na naka-raise ng 150,000 euros itong marathon na ito. So amazing. So, ayan na nga mga kasagad at nakadaan na ang ating mga friendship. At may iniintay pa kaming isang friend na dumaan. And every first Monday of June is bank holiday here in Ireland. So, meaning walang pasok. So, one of the most popular event here is marathon during this month because the weather in Ireland is often mild and pleasant at the start of June. So, every year tong ginaganap at nakita nyo naman napakadaming sumali and everyone is just enjoying their time. At talaga namang napakabilis nung first place. Tinakbo lang naman niya yung 10 kilometers ng 31 minutes and 22 seconds. At nanalo lang naman siya ng 400 euros. So, ayan na nga, isa-isa nang nagdadatingan ng mga runner. And ang second place ay mananalo ng 250 euros and ang third place ay mananalo ng 150 euros. And magkaiba pala yung category ng male and female. So, ang galing talaga, amazing. Madami ding nanood at nag-cheer. So, talaga namang nakakatuwa yung crowd kasi lahat i-cheer nila. At talagang pinakikita nila yung suporta sa mga runners. Siya nga pala yung nanalo ng first place sa female category at tinakbo lang naman niya yun ng 35 minutes and 25 seconds. Grabe ang bilis niya. Talagang panalo. Kasi ako yung 5 kilometers ko ay tinatakbo ko yun ng 45 minutes. So, doble pa yun. pagka nag 10 kilometers. So, kaya hindi rin talaga ako sumali, guys. Kaya kailangan ko pa talagang mag-training.
Well done, everybody. Keep it going. It's over an hour and 3 minutes. So keep walking after across the finishing line. It's over an hour and 3 minutes. So keep walking after across the finishing line. Keep the blood flowing. Kevin McDonald, Christian O'Leary. Three more seconds.
You didn't hear me.
Three to the- Three more Donald Emery, O'Brien, William Bucky, Cody, Will Kearney, Amelia Rasmussen, Ethan White, Anna Daly, Karen Calkin, Kieran Falvey, all coming to the end of their 10K race now. Give them a big cheer. Kieran Falvey, all coming to the end of their 10K race now.
Meron din silang category na as a group and marami ding sumali. Tapos yung mga nanalo, talagang mga athlete sila. And meron ding mga runners na galing pa sa iba't ibang lugar, bumiyahe pa sila para sali dito sa marathon na to.
But at the moment it's the Clonmel athlete who is leading the way, and that's David Mansfield. He's a 2:19 amateur in London this year. And he of 2:16.08. Now when we last counted, it was very close between himself and Pavel Kochek, who was last year's winner. Just 5 seconds between the two of them, and Shuda Malsia.
Sa sobrang dami ng mga nanonood, mga kasagad, sumabit ako dito sa puno para makita ko kaagad ang mga friendship at makuhanan ko sila ng video. If you want to join Cork City Marathon 2025, they are now open for registration. Just visit their website www.corkcity.ie. See you next year!
Shoulder to shoulder, they come through there with Shuda Malsia holding on to top position. And Chris Youngkin is in fourth, and Sean Doyle is retaining his position in fifth.
At alam nyo ba mga kasagad, itong mga friendship ko na kumakaway ay na-feature sa newspaper ng Ireland at front page pa. O diba, bongga, bigla silang naging model ng marathon. Hindi man sila winner, parang winner na rin sa experience nila. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos ko. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Catherine TV, live streamer, OFW life, travel vlog, food trip, cover song, the influencer.